Good morning or good afternoon. Today I want to wipe down all the bottom sections of the cabinets. I want to take care of this quick task before I head out to my appointment. Oh, it gets so crusty here. Oh, can't tell on the camera, but I promise you, it is not clean. Cleaning your house is actually a form of self-care. It is for me, at least. There we have it. It's not perfect, but it's all right. Take a few minutes. Now, perfection does not exist when you have little kids or a bunch of kids, but all we can do is try. And last but not least, you can actually see how dirty this one is. It's where my little one is all the time, so let's go. One day I will have my dream kitchen, but until then, I will treat this as if it's my own, even though I'm renting. Now I got this rug from Home Goods, and I washed it and I brought it up here. I wanted to add a pop of color since this house is very bland. And I like neutrals, don't get me wrong, but some color's fun in the spring. For now, the rug's a little small, but I washed it. It reminds me of spring, so here we have it. Much better. Like and subscribe for more.